Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, today our topic is rightly guided caliphs. You know, there are four rightly guided caliphs. Number one is Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. The second one is Hazrat Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. The third one is Hazrat Usman Ghani Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. And the fourth one is Hazrat Ali al-Murtaza Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. In this chapter, we will discuss the services of four rightly guided caliphs under their rule, under their own caliphate period. When we talk about the rightly guided caliphs, the first one is Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu Ta'ala. And under the heading of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu, we can discuss about the services of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu before his caliphate period and during his caliphate period. And we can discuss about the election, and then we can discuss the problems faced by Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. And the major problem was apostasy movement. And there are two parts of apostasy movement. Number one is refusal to pay zakat, and the second one is false prophets. And after this, we can discuss in this chapter the battles fought during the caliphate of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. And in the end, we can discuss the death of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu Ta'ala. Similarly, we can discuss under the heading of Hazrat Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu the services of Hazrat Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu before his caliphate period and during his caliphate. And then we can discuss the administration of Hazrat Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu, and then the battles fought during the caliphate of Hazrat Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. And in the end, we can discuss the death of Hazrat Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala. And we have discussed and finished these two chapters in O1. So now we will start from the third rightly guided caliph, and that is Hazrat Usman Ghani Radiyallahu Ta'ala. And in this chapter we can discuss about the services before caliphate period and during his caliphate period. And then we will discuss the election of Hazrat Usman Ghani Radiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. And after this, we will discuss the charges and false allegations against Hazrat Usman Ghani Radiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu and the reason of those allegations and charges. And then we will discuss the battles fought during the caliphate of Hazrat Usman Ghani Radiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. And in the end, we will discuss, inshallah tabarak wa ta'ala, the death of Hazrat Usman Ghani Radiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. And the fourth rightly guided caliph is Hazrat Ali al-Murtaza Radiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. And in this chapter, we can discuss about services of Hazrat Ali al-Murtaza before his caliphate period and during his caliphate period. And then we will discuss the election of Hazrat Ali Radiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu, and then the battles fought by Hazrat Ali Radiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. And in the end, we will discuss the death of Hazrat Ali Radiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. So keep in your mind, when we talk about the rightly guided caliphs, so then we will discuss about their caliphate period only. not before Caliphate period, because you have already studied in paper 1 under the heading of 10 blessed companions. You have learnt about Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu, and Hazrat Umar Farooq radiallahu ta'ala anhu, and Hazrat Usman Ghani radiallahu ta'ala anhu, and Hazrat Ali al-Murtaza radiallahu ta'ala anhu. You have already studied about these 4 personalities before their caliphate period. You have already done this in the first paper. So for your convenience, I read the paragraph which we have already studied in first lecture, named Paper Pattern and Syllabus. So please listen carefully what we will discuss in this chapter. The period of rule of rightly guided caliphs and their importance as leaders. Candidates should study the main events of the rules of the 4 caliphs, their policies in maintaining and expanding the state, their approaches to leading the community, their main achievements, the main difficulties they encountered, their significance as examples of leadership, the importance of their rules as models for government today, their importance as examples for Muslim communities in their relation with other states. Note that the lives and activities of the caliphs during the Prophet's lifetime are included in the syllabus under paper 1. Candidates should know the main events of the rules of the 4 caliphs and should explore the significance of these events for early and later history of Islam. They should also understand the importance of their rules as examples for later times. In the examination, there will be either 1 or 2 questions on this topic. So this was the syllabus endorsed by the Cambridge International. So inshallah we will discuss about the services of Hazrat Usman Ghani during his own caliphate period, not before caliphate period. So we will discuss about the battles fought by Hazrat Usman Ghani or during the caliphate of Hazrat Usman Ghani, and election of Hazrat Usman Ghani, and then we will discuss the false allegations and charges and the reasons of those charges. Inshallah we will discuss in the next lecture. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allah Hafiz.